Sir, and my dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. As you all know, it's me Noorulhuda, and today I'm here to talk about our education system. So, when we are watching our world and other countries, it will be developing very, very fast. But when we are look at our schools, it is having changed about ago the 100 years. So, come to the problems of our education system. First is industrial age values. So, what is in the industrial age values? The education systems are compared students to the factory workers. Just like that, they are only get the instruction to the students, just like stand up, sit down, open page number 40, or etc. Just like that, in the factories, the leaders are also get the instruction to their members. Now come to the another point, that is inauthentic learning. So what is inauthentic learning is just like not a good learning in our schools because of our education system. In our education system, there are no doubt the properly learning to the students just because of our education system. So that lack of autonomy. In an autonomy, that they have no rights to get their own selves. They have no vision. Just like that. That's why the students are bored in their schools. That's why they can't come to the schools. And it is a very big problem for our education system. Then other thing is no room for patience. And they have no room for their patience. Just like that, every child or any child want to be an engineer or want to be a singer. But their parents said that no, our child will be a best doctor, because the education system said the best profession is to be a best doctor. It is not a good thing to get the instruction to the children that he will be a best doctor or he will be a best engineer. It is not a good for their education system, and it's just because of our education system. Now come to the another point, that is how we learn and lecturing. When you are watching the schools, there are many big problems. Just like that, teachers are don't watching all the students equally. They are only watching one student that he has a self-confidence and he got the equal or a base lecture in their class. So he is the best. We can't focus the other students that how they will do and how they can do anything. And it is just because of our education system that in our education system there are no basic instruction for our schools or our students. Things.